MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. I'm Jay Calca, and today I'll be showing you the 2021 Harris 230 Cruiser. This has the black and white combination fencing, which I think is a really good look on this particular pontoon. We also come with the tri-tune design with lifting strakes. A great feature to help you get on plane and stay on plane at lower speeds. Here at the back, you'll see that this is outfitted with a Mercury 150. Got plenty of power for anything you need to do, as well as the ski tow bar right there. We have the telescoping stainless steel 4-step swim ladder. Makes it real easy to get on and off the pontoon. The new for 2021, this is a feature that I especially like, so you can set your drinks here while you're in the water. Definitely a great feature to have. Here topside, you'll notice that we have the dual helm single walk-through design. This is a great design for if you're going to have multiple people on the boat. Makes it easier to get to the front and back. You'll notice the recessed cup holders with the charging ports in each one. As we move towards the helm here, you'll see that we have the wireless phone charger. Makes it real easy to charge your phone, as well as a SIMRAD fish finder / GPS, so you can know where you're at all times. And if you want to throw some poles in the water, you'll be able to see what's under the boat. This also has a Fusion stereo system. Plenty of bow seating here with the table that is also removable. One thing I really like is this double bimini. When you have everybody in the boat and they want to stay out of the sun, this is a great feature to have. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat, call me, Jay Calca, at 850-225-9797.